Hey there. I know life can be overwhelming, but give yourself the next 2 minutes to find a moment of peace. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs, and then slowly exhale. Let go of any tension and focus on the sound of my voice. Imagine yourself in a beautiful forest. The sun filters through the leaves, casting a warm, gentle light. You can hear the soft rustling of the trees and the distant sound of a babbling brook. Take another deep breath in and let it out slowly. Picture yourself walking along a path lined with vibrant green moss. Each step feels grounded and secure. As you move forward, you come across a serene lake. The water is still, reflecting the sky and trees like a mirror. You sit by the edge and dip your fingers into the cool, refreshing water. Feel the calmness wash over you and let your worries drift away. Remember, this place of peace is always within you. You can return here anytime. When you need a break from the chaos of life, take one last deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking these 2 minutes for yourself. You deserve it. Stay peaceful and take care.